Hello guys, in today's video I'll be withdrawing some amounts of Ethereum Classic straight to my wallet. You can see I have some other coins here. I have Bitcoin Cash, I have Bitcoin about 0.000374 BTC. So I have BitTorrent about 60 pieces of BitTorrent to be withdrawn. I have Dash about 0.001 Dash coins. I have Digibyte, I have Dogecoin about 0.09 Dogecoin to be withdrawn to my wallet. I have Ethereum Classic, I have Komodo, and so many other coins right from this side. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be withdrawing Ethereum Classic. So I'll be withdrawing about 0.005 Ethereum Classics to my wallet account. All you need to do is just to stick with me till the end of this video and you learn how you can withdraw this straight to your wallet. Alright guys, before I withdraw this, if you're new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Also turn on the bell icon so you get notifications of important videos like this. Okay, so I'll be clicking on this one that says withdraw. So I'll click on it and you will see that I'll have to withdraw it straight. It's a direct withdrawal, and I'm going to withdraw about 0.005 Ethereum Classic, and I'm going to paste the wallet address I'm going to withdraw it to right in this side. So I'll be heading back to my Trust Wallet account now to copy my wallet address, Ethereum Classic wallet address. Okay, so this is my Ethereum Classic. I currently have about 0 Ethereum Classic, so I'll be clicking on this one that says copy right here to copy my wallet address, and I'll be heading back straight to the site I'm using to claim this. Okay, so I'm back to the site now. Just paste this in this space, then I'll click on this one that says withdraw, and instantly it will be sent to my wallet. Okay, so I'll be clicking on withdraw. Okay, you can see the transaction is successful and your withdrawal has been successfully completed. Okay, so I'll be checking my Trust Wallet now. I'll be refreshing in my Trust Wallet to see whether this coin really entered. Okay, so I'll just have to refresh, and boom guys, you can see that this amount of Ethereum Classic has been sent to my wallet. So I'll just wait a bit for it. Okay guys, if I refresh once more, you see that it has concurrently appeared, and I have about 0.004 due to network fees. It's meant to be 0.005, but due to network fee it is now 0.004. Okay guys, this is how I've been making some coins. From this site. So the good thing is that it is free to withdraw from this site, and in this site you don't have to invest anything. So my next video I'll be making a video on how you can successfully claim free coins from this site. And in order to participate in that video, in order not to miss that opportunity, you have to click that red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you get important notifications like this. Make sure not to miss out in that video on how to claim this particular Ethereum Classic. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.